and they had a hot discussion about quantum mechanics and so on and so on. And Sabine Hosenfelder say in this video, in 1 minute, check 1 minute, that there is no such a thing as the observer. Sabine Hosenfelder does not understand the basic of physics. First of all, the observer is not a thing. The observer is the subject. And in every experiment, the subject, the observer, is the crucial element. Without the observer, there is no experiment. And here is the crisis of physics. Sabine Hosenfelder exposed the main crisis of today's physics. There is no such a thing as the observer. If there is no such a thing as the observer, then physics is dead. There's nobody there anymore. And this is actually the case. There is only mind there, talking nonsense. They invite Slavoj Žižek in this discussion. Penrose, Sabine Hosenfelder, and Slavoj Žižek. Slavoj Žižek has no clue about physics, but they invite him. Slavoj Žižek. Physics today is dead because the observer is dead. Okay. If the consciousness inside is not awake, you are a dead person. You are only a mind machine. You are biological machine. Mind without consciousness is a computer. Whatever you put in, computer will work on. There is no self-control. There is no supervision inside. If you are totally identified with the mind, as Sabine Hosenfelder is, otherwise she would not say there is no such a thing as an observer. If she would have a little bit of power of consciousness inside, she would never say something like this. And in the most of physicists today, the observer is dead. There is no observer there. There is only mind. Because the educational system is such that we develop only the mind. We don't develop consciousness. So we are producing a new generations of physicists which they operate only on the level of the mind. That's why there is no progress in physics. Because there is no a new standpoint to see things. And the new standpoint is, the fresh standpoint is that you are in the position of the observer. You are the pure subject. And you have a clear view. Here is a model of reality. Here is my mind working on the model. Here is the physical reality that this model should describe. And I am the third element. I am the third element. And without this third element, physics is dead. That's why for the last 30 years, they are talking all kind of nonsense, but there is no progress. They gave Roger Penrose Nobel Prize for the discovery, for the robust confirmation of general relativity, which is discovery of the gravitational singularities, which exist only in the Penrose mind. There is no singularities in the physical world. Uh, Enough, it's enough. Check my other videos. I don't want to repeat things.